Brass body. Steel internal structure. Adjustable latch from 2 to 3, 8 to 2-3/4, 60 to 70 mm. Includes rounded steel faceplate and strike, zinc alloy latch bolt. Detailed installation instructions included. Backed by an Basics 1-year limited. Fit all doors 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 in thickness. Lock body assembling hole 2 to 18, 54 mm, dia. Latch assembling hole 1, 25 mm, dia. Perfect for any room in the house. The doorknob set offers smooth, efficient, secure operation and long-lasting performance. Amazon Basics bedroom, bathroom doorknob with lock, classic, oil-rubbed bronze. Top reviews from the United States. Easy, affordable. Locks are great. Look like photos. Make sure that the locks are set up to actually unlock and lock properly. If you have the locks wrong when you attach them, it will just spin. The lock isn't broken. You just need to try unlocking, locking it and trying aging to connect them.